lot of types of biryanis and rices from different parts of the world. Today, it's Bombay Biryani. Don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. We are making this biryani for 7 to 8 guests. We need 2 kg of beef, cut into big chunks. Cover with water just on top of the beef. Add 3 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric. Cover it on a very low heat. Cook until soft and tender. It will take approximate 1 or 1.5 hours. Like this. Turn off the heat. Remove the beef. Keep it aside. The stock also we need later. Onto a pot, 1 cup of oil, finely sliced onions 4, fry to golden. We can do it in batches because the big batch doesn't come to golden. So this will be the first batch. As soon as it's golden, remove it and keep it aside. Do the same process again. Onto the same oil, potatoes, big chunks, 4 pieces. Fry it until golden and remove it and set aside. 3 tomatoes, make into a puree. Onto the same oil, add the puree. 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. How to make ginger garlic paste is in my channel. Cook for 3 minutes. Add just half the fried onions we made. The beef we cooked. The Bombay spices. How to make a Bombay spice, it's there in my channel. Give a quick mix. Salt 2 teaspoons. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Cook until the spices are cooked. Add 2 cups of stock. And let it boil and let it get a thick sauce. Turn off the flame. Add the fried potatoes. Give a quick mix gently. Add the rest half fried onions. Chopped cilantro 1 handful. Chopped mint 1 handful. Lemon without skin sliced 1. 6 pieces of whole green chilies. 10 pieces of plum prunes. 8 chilies. Onto a blender, fine paste. Add the paste on the top. Half cup of yogurt. Basmati rice, we need 4 cups. Soak for 30 minutes. Make sure you wash 3 times. Onto a pot, peppercorns, cloves, 2 cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom pods, 2 bay leaves, teaspoon of salt. Bring into rolling hot. Add the soft rice. Give a quick stir. Rice till 80% and strain it and put it on top of the beef like this. Onto a bowl, 2 tablespoons of Kora water or rose water, 1 tablespoon of milk, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. A quick mix and well combined and add on the top. We are not using any color on this recipe. If you want to use color, you can use it out. Cover it on a low heat, put it on a dum for 25 minutes. You will get a fluffy, beautiful, fragrant rice like this. Using a flat spoon, fluff it from the side and just gently combine. Onto a plate, the beef and the potatoes topped with fluffy, beautiful rice. The Bombay Biryani, it's ready. Very very soft meat. Very soft means very soft. Just melting at your mouth. Rice, so fluffy. Very good. Beautiful. The potato, very soft. The fat from the beef makes it into a different level. Let's enjoy and eat. In between, some crispy onions to clear up your taste buds. The recipe is there in my channel, Lachapias. After making this biryani, a Bombay biryani, you will be enjoying and eating. But don't forget me to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.